What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Karl Anthony, and if you're looking for a channel that is all about lifestyle, luxury, home decor, inspiration, all the above, you have definitely come to the right place. Today's video is all about elevating your space. So before we jump into the video, I just want to say I look good. I did good today. Like, my skin look good. The background look good. I got a cute little outfit on. I got my little Gucci shoes on. I am giving it to y'all today. Listen, y'all better watch this whole damn video because I put it on today for y'all, okay? Y'all better get to watch this whole video, beginning to end. I am going to be talking to you guys about how to elevate your space, how to elevate any room in your house. We're just doing the smallest things. Now listen, some things will be very inexpensive and some things you're going to have to just, count your little monies and invest in them. Because if you want your room to look good, you're going to have to invest in it. Like also I told y'all last time, I am no interior designer. I just know what works for me and my space and my home. And my goal is to help inspire your ass so that you can make your house look a little better. The very first thing that you can add to really elevate the space is going to be pillows. I mean, pillows are definitely going to make your sofa, your accent chair, they're really going to make them pop, really make them stand out. I got this particular pillow about a year or so ago from Z Gallery. I think it cost me about $100, a little pricey, but it's definitely worth the investment. It's full, it's absolutely beautiful, and it is the color palette that I utilize in my home. Very warm, very natural tones. Listen, you can get pillows from all over. They don't just have to be from one particular place, and they don't always have to match. You can get pillows from Target, Wayfair, Home Goods, At Home, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. They sell pillows, and I've purchased pillows from, a lot of those different brands. Your goal is to find a pillow that is going to be firm, a pillow that is full, and a pillow that you can style just like this. I achieved this particular look by fluffing up the pillow and then just chopping it right down the middle, right? Look at that. That is beautiful. So that's definitely going to make your sofa or an accent chair, even your bedroom. Putting pillows on your bedspread after you make the bed is going to make your bed pop. It is going to give you that added element that you need to elevate that space. The next thing that I want to talk about is going to be coffee table decor. Coffee table decor is going to be a huge added element to make any space stand out. What I did for my particular coffee table and how I styled it was I utilized coffee table books that I purchased from either Amazon, Home Goods, or Barnes & Noble. Any bookstore really sells coffee table books, and you can really consider any type of book to be a coffee table book. I would tell you this, to get coffee table books that are in your color palette. So for my coffee table books, I utilized books that were of a neutral tone, that had neutral covers to them, that were the creams or the whites, that had, this kind of element to it. to really go in my decor scheme. But you can purchase these books from, again, Amazon, Target, TJ Maxx, any bookstore, Home Goods. They have a lot of these books at Home Goods every now and then, so it's definitely a good place to kind of find these books. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you all is this oversized, very beautiful geoid crystal. So I got this from Home Goods. It's about $100, but I'm going to tell you this, it was worth every penny. I have seen so many crystals being sold in other stores for hundreds and thousands of dollars. Home Goods always carries these. It's about finding the right color and for it to have some character, right? This definitely has character. It definitely has the color scheme that I was going for on my coffee table. And let me tell you, I am all about good energy. Some of y'all need some good energy in your houses. Go out and get you some crystals and put some good juju in your house, okay? And on top of putting good energy in your house, it's gonna be beautiful on your coffee table. Y'all see that? Beautiful. Okay, let's talk about this beauty right here. This is an oversized candle that I made. I got the bowl from Home Goods a few months ago, ordered candle wax and wicks from Amazon, and I just made it. So I glued the wicks down with some hot glue, poured regular non-scented wax inside, and bam, I have an oversized candle. Something like this in a Restoration Hardware or any kind of store like that is going to run you more than $100. This cost me little to nothing to be able to make on my own. I encourage you all to go out, find you some bowls or objects that you want to fill with candle wax, purchase the candle wax online, and then do your own DIY project. You're gonna feel so good about it once it's done. And guess what? No one else is going to have that particular candle because you know what? You made it on your own. Okay, so some other items that you all can utilize in your spaces would be floor length mirrors and lamps. Here, I have a floor length mirror that I purchased from a local furniture company here in Atlanta. It was very inexpensive, and it actually started off as brown. And the sofa lamp I have here is from IKEA. It actually started off as black, and it was only $60. A lot of different floor lamps or sofa lamps, they range in a lot of prices, and I've actually seen them for thousands of dollars at other companies. So I'll tell you this. The best way to go if you don't like the color of something is to spray paint it. So listen, remember this. If you in the store and you like something and it ain't the right color, stop sitting there hoping, praying, and wishing that they're going to come out with a different color. Buy that shit, go down to your local Home Depot store, buy you a $5 can of spray paint, and go to work. Okay? Let me tell y'all something. If I don't like the color of something, let me tell you what color she gonna be. Whatever I tell her to be. She gonna be whatever color I tell her to be. Y'all see her? When I first found it, it was in Home Goods. It was like a charcoal, blackish color. Listen, that don't go in my house. I'm not a black person. For those of you that like the matte black and the charcoal grays and all of that, good for you. That don't work for me. But guess what though? I had never seen one like it, so I took her home. And guess what color she is now? Okay. Okay, guys, so one of the things that I want to show you that's really going to help your space are having the right curtains. So here, I purchased these curtains from Wayfair, and they are 120 inches long. And the reason why I decided to have curtains this long was because I wanted a very dramatic effect in a very oddly shaped kind of room. So these are actually in a ivory tannish color. And what I'll do is I'll provide the link in the description box. And you cannot forget about having the right type of rug for your space, okay? So I got this rug right here from Wayfair. It was less than probably $300 when I originally ordered it. And it embodies every single color that I like in my room, in my space. It has the neutrals and the dark tans, and it is definitely eye-catching in this particular space. And one of the last things I believe that you all can do to help give your room some character and really elevate it would be changing out your wall plates for your light fixtures and your outlet plugs. So listen, I got these for probably $6 or $7 from my local Home Depot store. You can order them online or they have some of them in the store. But I don't notice a lot of people changing them in their homes. But I've changed them all around my entire house and they definitely give a vibe. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe it. Follow me on Instagram at Karl Anthony. And until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.